We have an important emergency by the emergency alert system. The National Weather Service has found a blizzard coming in New Hampshire. The warning will start in about 2 minutes.
The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap County, Rockingham County, Merrimack County, Grafton County, and Sullivan County. If you are in these counties, get inside your house now.
If you're far away from your house, move to shelter immediately. We will be back for more messages.
We got another message coming right about 3 minutes. A blizzard warning thanks to the National Weather Service was finally emerged, so we might wait about 3 minutes.
We are back with another message from the National Weather Service. They've seen clouds coming from the sky, which the blizzard is right over our heads. Take shelter immediately, or else you'll get stuck in the...
If you can't have anybody to take you, run before it's too late. This is a message from the National Weather Service. Thank you for listening and good luck.